Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into a machine that doesn't just drive, it hunts. This is the 2026 BMW M4 Black Cobra. If you thought the standard M4 was aggressive, this edition takes that DNA and turns the intensity up to 11. It's dark, it's dangerous, and it's arguably the most intimidating coupe on the road this year. Stepping around the exterior, the Black Cobra theme is immediately obvious. BMW has draped this beast in a deep, light-absorbing frozen black metallic that makes the lines of the car look like they were carved out of obsidian. The signature kidney grills have been blacked out completely, and they're flanked by those new for 2026 sharpened LED headlights with the distinctive 3D daytime running signatures. You'll notice the staggered stance, with 19-inch wheels in the front and 20-inch in the rear, finished in a high-gloss jet black. But the real showstopper? The Laserlight taillights at the back. Borrowed from the ultra-exclusive CSL, they look like glowing red filaments floating in the dark. It's a design that doesn't just ask for attention, it demands it. Inside the cabin is a masterclass in driver-centric luxury. The Black Cobra features a unique M Alcantara steering wheel with a red 12 o'clock racing stripe, giving you that tactile, track-ready feel. You're held in place by M carbon bucket seats that look like they belong in a GT3 race car, featuring illuminated M4 logos and carbon fiber reinforcements. Dominating the dashboard is the massive BMW Curved Display, running the latest iDrive 8.5 system. But let's talk about what really matters: what's under the hood. Powering this serpent is the legendary 3.0-liter TwinPower Turbo inline-6. In this specific trim, BMW has squeezed out a massive 523 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. When you pin the throttle, the xDrive all-wheel drive system bites into the pavement, launching you from 0 to 60 in a staggering 3.4 seconds. It's an absolute rocket, and the revised M Sport exhaust ensures that every downshift is met with a guttural, aggressive crackle that echoes through the chassis. Now, all this performance comes at a premium. The 2026 BMW M4 lineup starts around $83,000, but for a fully spec'd Black Cobra edition with the competition xDrive hardware, you're looking at a price tag north of $95,000. It's a significant investment, but you're paying for a car that can dominate a track on Sunday and be your daily driver on Monday. Safety hasn't been sidelined for speed, either. The 2026 model comes standard with BMW's active driving assistant, which includes frontal collision warning, blind spot detection, and lane departure warning. If you opt for the driving assistant's professional package, you get hands-free highway driving capabilities and a 360-degree surround view camera system that makes parking this wide-bodied beast a breeze. In summary, the 2026 BMW M4 Black Cobra is a phenomenal achievement in automotive engineering. It takes the refinement of a luxury coupe and injects it with pure, unadulterated adrenaline. It's faster, smarter, and meaner than ever before. If you're looking for a car that makes a statement before you even start the engine, this is it. Thanks for watching the review. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments. Would you take this over a Porsche 911? I'll see you in the next one.